You want to buy a Honda Fit? Watch this video first. How's it going, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I'm just going to go over a few things I wish I knew before I bought my Honda Fit. For a daily driver or a first car, it's perfect. This car is pretty basic. It doesn't have any creature comforts, no Bluetooth. It does have radio, blind spot mirrors, no heated seats. You can't control the volume with your steering wheel. It's just a basic car. And because it's so basic, you gotta spend more money to make it more modern. And if you live somewhere hot, the AC is pretty trash. I had it on full blast during the summer and I was still sweating. Also, don't mind the dust. It's a daily, it's a winter beater. I'm lazy to clean it, I'll be honest with you. It is what it is, so please forgive me. Probably the best thing I love about this car is how much space there is. There's so much room in the back seats, in the trunk. There's cup holders everywhere. The amount of things you can fit inside a Fit, yeah, it's really good. It's like you gotta see it to believe it type of thing, I have an intake I installed on my car, and it sounds amazing. As a car guy, how can you not mod your daily? But the downside is, this car does drone a lot more on the highway. But if you keep your car stock, you don't get an intake, you don't do an exhaust, it will be quiet like a Prius. I promise you that much. Another thing I wish I knew before getting a Fit is that the stock suspension is so stiff. Every time I go over a bump, the whole car rattles and it shakes and it feels like it's gonna break. Thank you so much for watching another video. Subscribe, leave a comment below, tell me what you think about the Honda Fit. I want to make more videos about the Honda Fit, and I do have some mods coming on the way, so stay tuned for that. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and drive safe.